Darren Andrews is here, Clinic Director for PAI Medical Group. No adhesives used in any of your processes, right. But you have we have another VIP to talk about.
Yeah, we do. So lots of guys over the years, as we know, some pretty well-known names, J&V and Dana and Stuck and the guys, and we've done a few athletes over the years, but most of them have stayed private. So this time we've got someone that's going to come out and talk about the process, and we're really excited.
Okay, we got a little bit of video too, right?
Yeah. Yep.
My man.
Guys, it's Rick DeMulling, Indianapolis football legend. How you doing, bud?
I am living the dream. Yourself?
Great. Obviously, I'm sure the career seemed like it went fast from a football point of view, but new career now, business owner locally and giving back to the community. Tell us a little bit about that.
I got into a company, DeMulling and Slama Insurance. We also have a real estate company, but it was kind of slow for me because I felt like I may have lost some confidence with my hair loss.
Multi-unit hair grafting guys are doing his front. This frontal area, reframing the faces, we talk about it. Resodding the playing surface, as J&V would say, and the crown as well. So the multi-unit hair grafting gives us the density and coverage we need in a single transplant. We thank you for doing that, and we're going to take great care of you, man. So super excited.
Hey, looking forward to tackling hair loss.
We're going to tackle the hair loss.
We're going to tackle the hair loss.
All right, 7th round draft pick, right?
7th round, yeah.
7th round draft pick. 3 teams. Career was how?
7 years.
7 years.
Blessed to get 7 years.
That's impressive. That's fantastic. So, someone of your talent, smarts, size, things like that. I find it interesting that using the word or the phrase "lack of confidence."
Yeah. So actually, even talking to my wife recently about it, she's like, "I didn't realize it was bothering you that bad," and it's like. And I guess I didn't really notice as much until I just kind of internalized it, and I'd go out to business meetings or just hanging out with people, and I just really self-conscious about my hair. I'm like, well, that's, so I always found every excuse to put on a hat that I could. If it was a business thing, I was like, you know what, I'm going to wear, kind of dress down, but be the cool guy that wears a hat with a suit. And like, no, it was all about trying to hide my hair, or lack thereof.
So then how did you find out about PAI?
Through the Colts. So I got an email through them saying, hey, we're looking for some people to do, possibly do a VIP, and I'm like, I'm all over it.
Okay.
And we met, and it just kind of went from there.
Well, I have done the free consultation myself, so I know the answer to this question. But
never ask a question unless you already know the answer.
My job is to ask it. So how did you feel going into the consultation? How did you feel coming out?
Went in not skeptical, but like, okay, what are they gonna? How is this gonna go?
Where you pumping the snake oil, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. Actually, what are you doing here? What kind of voodoo stuff? And then met him, and it was great. And walked me through the process. And I've used the comment before. It's hard to play for a coach that didn't play the game, you know, or you're like, okay, you're telling me to do this, but it won't work. I can tell you that right now. Whereas obviously Darren and pretty much everybody who works there has been through the process, and you can obviously see the results. So I mean, it was really easy to say, hey, this is what's going to happen, and here's going to be the results.
All right, let's continue with the sports metaphor. So what is the game plan for him?
Well, we're tackling hair loss.
Tackle hair loss.
But multi-unit hair grafting. So we do the artist robotic EFUE and multi-unit hair grafting. But for this scenario, we're doing the front and the back. Procedures on Monday. But we're taking a global approach. So in addition to the multi-unit hair grafting, we're doing the laser hair therapy and the platelet-rich plasma. So keeping what he's got, putting back what he's lost. So.
Okay. So a lot of times we do the befores and the afters with the person who's here, but we do have some more. Let's take a look at Joe.
Yeah, so Joe's now a year and a half post-transplant, multi-unit hair grafting, 1 procedure. Again, more hair in a single procedure is one of the advantages of the multi-unit approach. So ex-military guy, great guy.
Ran out of excuses to wear helmets, right?
Yeah. And obviously spousal support is very important. And I think the old notion of transplants not looking natural and being something that is sort of a taboo is gone now. So having that support is important. Crowns are a little bit different. The back area, different artistic requirements, but again, multi-unit hair grafting, great result, 1 procedure. Used to bleach his hair before the procedure, which is why the colors changed. And with his spouse there, so. Before and after, obviously, is pretty impressive here too.
Spousal support being key, and also, man, they're going to tell. There's your wife right there. She's going to tell you, right? If she didn't think it was going to look natural or was something you shouldn't do, she's not going to hold back, right?
She's not going to hold back. She's also trained as a nurse, so she was really concerned about what procedure are you doing, how's it going to happen, and they took all her concerns and just ease them.
That's fantastic.
So she knows what's going on. She's on board, and having her support is crucial because I don't think I would have done it without her saying, yeah, go ahead and do it. And so she was just concerned, like, I didn't realize that you were had that big of an issue with it.
Well, I was going to tell you good luck on Monday, but I know you don't need good luck because you've got the preparation and the game plan. All right, and he's going to have a VIP page, right?
VIP page, WeGrowHindy.com. So really excited. Lots of videos up there.
All right, of course, that link will be on IndyStyle.tv. Welcome to the team.
I appreciate it.
Good to see you as always.
Thank you, sir.
Amber?
All right, Tracy, thank you.